Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most common problems that car owners face, the check engine light. If you're wondering why your check engine light is on, you're not alone. In fact, it's one of the most searched car-related questions on the internet. So, let's dive in and find out the common causes and solutions. First things first, let's talk about what the check engine light actually means. The check engine light is a warning light that indicates that there's a problem with your car's engine or emissions system. It's important to note that the check engine light doesn't always mean that there's a major problem with your car. Sometimes, it can be a minor issue that's easy to fix. Now, let's talk about the common causes of the check engine light. One of the most common causes is a loose or damaged gas cap. If your gas cap is loose or damaged, it can cause the check engine light to come on. So, make sure to check your gas cap first before taking your car to a mechanic. Another common cause of the check engine light is a faulty spark plug. A spark plug is responsible for igniting the fuel in your car's engine. If it's faulty, it can cause your car to misfire and trigger the check engine light. The oxygen sensor is another common culprit. The oxygen sensor measures the amount of oxygen in your car's exhaust system. If it's faulty, it can cause your car to run rich or lean, which can trigger the check engine light. Finally, faulty catalytic converter can also cause the check engine light to come on. The catalytic converter is responsible for reducing the emissions from your car's exhaust system. If it's faulty, it can cause your car to fail an emissions test and trigger the check engine light. So, what can you do about it? Well, the first step is to have your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system scanned to retrieve the trouble codes. This will help pinpoint the exact cause of the issue. Once you have the trouble codes, you can then determine the best course of action. Depending on the cause of the check engine light, you may be able to address the issue yourself, such as tightening or replacing the gas cap. However, for more complex issues, it's best to take your vehicle to a qualified mechanic who can diagnose and repair the problem. In conclusion, the check engine light can be triggered by a variety of issues, ranging from minor to more serious. It's important to address the problem as soon as possible to prevent further damage to your vehicle. Remember, regular maintenance and prompt attention to warning lights can help keep your car running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and advice. And as always, drive safe.